Hello and welcome to another episode of Business Journey Talk with Sheetal. First of all, a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to people, whichever part of the world they are in. My name is Sheetal. I'm the face behind this page. I'm a digital business owner and help people in setting up their own online business. And we provide automated tools and necessary training in order to achieve that. So if you want to know more, you can register on my website. It's mentioned over here www.sheetaldigitalbiz.com. Uh, so in the I'm hosting on my page, I'm hosting a series of live interviews where I'm inviting my business partners from different parts of the world, and we will be listening to their business journeys. So today's guest is a mom. She is originally from India and currently living in USA. So without further delay, let me invite her and let's listen to her journey of becoming a mompreneur. Uh, Hi Chandrika, how are you?
Hello, Sheetal. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. A very warm welcome to my page and thank you for accepting my invitation for interview.
Thanks to you for being my host.
Thank you so much. So, we are curious to know about your business journey. So, before that, why don't you introduce yourself? We want to know about you. Who is Chandrika? What's your
Yeah,
background?
sure. I'm originally from India, as you already mentioned. Currently, I live in the US, in Pittsburgh. I have a 4-year-old son, and my husband is a software engineer. Before I moved to US, I was in India. I grew up there and I did my schooling, my engineering, everything in India. I did my graduation uh, in a place called Dharwad, which is in northern part of Karnataka. And then after my graduation and in search of a job, I moved to Bangalore. So I worked there as a civil engineer. I worked in basically designs. I worked there for about 7 years in various consultancies. And after my marriage, I moved to the US. So
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
and currently I am a stay-at-home mom. So I was occupied bringing up my son all these years. Yeah, yeah.
That's
That's
great.
that's
That's
the
great.
introduction.
That's great. Bangalore is very close to me because we have lived there for 8 years, almost 8 years,
Okay.
and we
Okay.
own our own house over there.
Oh,
Yes, we moved directly from there to Malaysia.
oh,
So it's
you
very
might
close
be
to me.
missing the Bangalore weather.
Yes, yes. Bangalore weather is very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, uh, we want to know about your business journey. How did you find this business opportunity?
Yeah, sure. Like most of us found this business in the same way found this through an ad. I was scrolling through my Facebook news feed and I saw an ad about this business. I thought, let me try. I was looking for some remote work. I did not want to step out of house. I had a young child at home, and
Yeah, yes, yes.
yeah,
I can understand.
generate some income without stepping out of the house. At the same time, work and not compromise my duties as a mother. So I was thinking all this together cannot happen. We have to, sacrifice something. But this business is not like that. Like I could work, generate income, as well as take care of my son. So when I clicked on the ad, this was some happened somewhere in May last year, May 2020. But back then, I did not have my work permit in the
Okay,
US.
okay,
So I just entered my name and email address, and I received mails to watch a webinar. So I watched all the webinar. I just wanted to start, but I did not have work permit. So I had applied for it back then. Then I received all the work authorization documents
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all that in November, and I could
Oh,
only
I
start
see.
in December. So since
All
we need
right.
all the work permits and everything, it's a legitimate business, and without work permits, like any other work, we need all the necessary documents. Yeah.
Yes, yes. I have a couple of people who want to join from US, but they are
Yeah.
looking into the work pass. EAD is there, EAD
Yeah. Yeah.
pass, and they are looking into it whether if you can find. So, yes, it's a legitimate business, and without work pass, it's cannot be done, and it needs to be registered. So, uh, people look for it and even pay the taxes at the end of the year and they get the tax slips. So
Yes.
just to mention that this is a legitimate business, otherwise it cannot be done with all these without these formalities. So how long have you been into this business, Chandrika, by now?
4 months. Yeah, it's more than 4.5 months.
Yeah, you
I
mentioned
started by the
December.
end
Yeah,
of
yes,
December.
yes, yes.
Yeah, I received my documents in November and I started in December.
Yes,
So,
yes. Uh, okay. So you have already mentioned about your why or reason. So do you want to mention more about this?
no,
Anything you want to add?
no, as of now, that's my biggest why. Like, I wanted to be with my son, and he should not
Yes.
miss me, and even I should not miss him. Eventually, they
Yes,
will
I
grow
know.
up. Eventually, kids will grow up, but this is the time they need their mothers the most, especially. So,
Yes.
yeah, I did not want to miss any of his, major milestones. And as we all know, now the classes are also online, and I can
Yes, yes.
look into his classes as well. I can sit with him, make him do his activities, and he also enjoys it. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm able to give time for him.
Yes. In today's scenario, it's very difficult to step out of the house and start something new, do job, and
Yeah,
would
yeah.
have been very difficult. One of the parents has to be at home to look
Yes,
after. So it's a blessing for people. Online business has been a blessing for people,
yes,
or
yes.
especially parents,
Yeah, especially
who
moms
start
like us.
yes, yes. Yeah, even I'm being a mom of two kids, and the younger one is going pretty soon. So it's really a blessing for me that I'm able to look after him by myself and uh, see all his milestones without missing any of it. And it's really a blessing.
Yes.
Yes. So, how do you manage since you have a small child? I really like this question because I am also a mom of a small child. So, how do you manage your time to run this business? When do you do it?
Yeah. My son is now 4 year old, so now it has become little easy, but the responsibilities are there. I
Yes, yes,
usually
yes.
work on weekends while my husband takes care of my son, and I work after 5 or 6 in the evening. My husband gets free from his work, so there is nothing like this is not a 9 to 5 job, as many of
Yes,
us know
yes.
that. So I can work anytime and anyway, anytime. Sometimes I work early in the morning.
Yeah.
So, and
So
some
that's
days
a
if I
very good
don't want
part.
to work, I can just quit, just
Yes,
relax.
yes,
I
yes.
can just go out and enjoy my time. I need not have to wait for the weekends to move or go out and spend some time outside.
Yeah, it's the flexibility which has been a blessing or like which has helped moms to work
Yes.
to allow moms to work from home. So it's the flexibility. Else in regular 9 to 5 job, even it is work from home, it's very difficult when you
Yes.
have a young child at home and you need to finish your work. So it's the flexibility which is biggest you say opportunity or to run this business.
Yes,
That's the biggest
we don't have to attend to any
positive
calls,
part.
right?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. That's true. And I want to ask how this business has changed your life. When do
This
you see?
personally, I have, you know, I have learned a lot of things. May it be professional or my personal growth, for my personal growth. I have met a lot of good friends and I have developed good relationships in the business, and my network has grown.
Hmm.
And
Yes.
I am a fitness freak person. I'm a health
Okay.
conscious person. So I
Okay,
do
that's good.
practice yoga and all those things. So because of this business, I can give time for my hobbies. Like practicing
That's true.
yoga, right? And if it was a 9 to 5 job, it would not have been possible. I can't say that it's not possible. It would be really difficult,
Yes,
managing work and spending time on our own health.
yes,
I also like to cook food at home. Like, no, I don't
mm,
prefer eating out and eating junk food for myself and also for my family. So since I'm at home and I can work anytime, I can make fresh meals for the family. Yeah, in that way, it has really helped me a lot. Like I can have the lifestyle which I want. There is
yes,
time
yes,
freedom.
yes,
Yeah,
yes. We don't have
and
rush
these
mornings and
days,
we can do
yes, yes,
whatever we want to uh, from the comfort of our home. That's
yeah, and these
also,
days, time and health are the two blessings. Yeah,
yes,
health.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to have a good health, especially in this pandemic time. In India, it's really worse. Second wave has been
Yes,
it, and I'm seeing it's an eye opener for many that health is
yes,
most important
yes,
right now.
yes. Yeah, we hope things get better in India. Like we are praying for,
Yes, yes, yes.
like your
My
family, my
lot of
family, everybody is in India, so we are really worried
yeah,
about the
lot of my
situation.
family members are affected. They are sick, but just they are recovering. That's the good news.
Yes,
So
yes.
I'm just praying for everyone.
Yeah.
All right. So, won't take much of your time. Uh, just any message you want to give to fence sitters or people who are skeptical in joining this business. What do you want to say to them?
Yeah, it's natural to be skeptical. Even I was a little skeptical, not that much, but I did my due diligence and I gathered all the information, like what work I would be doing and with whom I would be working, what's the nature of work, and how the income is generated. All that I gathered the information, and only when I was convinced, then I joined. It all started by watching a free webinar, which happens on every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So you can watch it. If you have any doubts, you can come to Sheetal or you can come to me, and we are there to help you out without without convincing yourself. You need not, there is no any pressure, or nobody is going to force anybody. It's all transparent, and
Yes,
yeah, and this is all tracked by the government, so it's all legal. We file our taxes, and we also register our business, right? In
yes,
Yeah, in my state, we can register it online. So yeah,
okay.
it's a very good opportunity, and you are going not going to lose anything to try this out. Can just try this out,
Yes,
and
yes.
if you feel that it's not for you, you can just opt out. Yeah. So
Yes, yes, that's true. That's true. There is no obligation. People can
yes,
register. They can find out by watching webinar whether it's this opportunity is for them or not. And for the next step, there is like 1 month risk-free period.
yes, that's
They
right.
can look into this, find out all the details, business model, how does it work, and then there's a 1 month risk-free period, and you don't lose anything. So
Yes,
people can register on any of our website, does not matter, with Chandrika, with me, they can find out and just look whether this opportunity is for you or not.
yeah, exactly.
So exactly. So any other message you want to give, Chandrika, to people?
Uh, yeah, it's, I mean, we need to step out of our comfort zones, and then we can, achieve something big. We all dreamt of having a life with time freedom and, as well as generate some income. So this, I have tried lot of other businesses as well. So this is the one I found is the best. So, yeah, if you are somebody like us, moms, and you want to work and from the comforts of your home, this is a very good opportunity. You can just check it out.
Thank you for calling out, Chandrika. Thank you. It could not have been better uh, appeal to people. So that's it, I guess. Two people.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You
So
can add
to
something if you want to.
yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Like if I missed out on any of the important things about the business, you can just add
No,
it.
I think you have been good. You have mentioned all things, and I can mention about the training. We have a virtual
Yes.
training. It's provided in the video format, in step by step, and it's really easy to understand. Even if person is not tech savvy, and irrespective of any educational background, they can do this business. So it does not
Yes.
matter what's their background, and we provide all the training, how you can start, and provide automated system, also tools to run the business, and moreover mentor and coach is provided, so they can help hand on today and help in this journey, business journey. So
Yes.
it's a
True.
good opportunity. Look out for yourself. uh, can't wait to see you all inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it. uh, I will be coming with another guest next time. Till then, bye bye. And
Bye.
it has been a pleasure to have you here, Chandrika. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
giving your
Thanks
time.
to you.
Thank you so
Thanks to
much.
you.
Yeah. And a very happy Mother's Day. Sorry, I really
Yeah.
forgot. And to all the mothers out there, a very happy
Yes.
Mother's Day.
Yes.
And I have a song dedicated to mothers. Let me play it. Just 1 second. Can you hear?
Yes.
Till then, bye bye. Okay, bye, Chandrika.
Bye. Bye, Sheetal.
Thank you.